President Joe Biden hosted the fourth Quad summit in Delaware in his residence. It was attended by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi as well as the Prime Ministers of Australia and Japan. Now, the US President hosted the Quad leaders at his residence in Greenville, hoping that the Quad will last beyond November when the US presidential elections will take place. Now, during the summit, the Quad members hailed Prime Minister Modi for his leadership in the Indian Ocean and said that there's a lot to learn from him.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi is currently on his 3-day US tour, where he met the US President Joe Biden. The two leaders held bilateral talks on regional as well as global issues. The two leaders are working to unlock $1 billion to build global clean energy supply chains. Prime Minister Narendra Modi attended the Quad summit, where he said that Quad is here to stay.
हमारी बैठक ऐसे समय हो रही है जब विश्व तनावों और संघर्षों से घिरा हुआ है। ऐसे में साझा डेमोक्रेटिक वैल्यूज के आधार पर क्वाड का मिलकर साथ चलना पूरी मानवता के लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है। हम किसी के खिलाफ नहीं हैं। हम सभी एक रूल्स बेस्ड इंटरनेशनल ऑर्डर, संप्रभुता और क्षेत्रीय अखंडता के सम्मान और सभी मसलों के शांतिपूर्ण ढंग से हल निकालने का समर्थन करते हैं।
The summit was attended by Australian Prime Minister Anthony Albanese as well as Japanese Prime Minister Fumio Kishida. The Quad leaders appreciated Prime Minister Modi and India for its leadership role in the Indian Ocean. US President Biden said that the US has a lot to learn from India's experience and leadership, while Australian Prime Minister called India the predominant power in the Indian Ocean under Prime Minister Modi. After attending the summit, the Quad leaders attended a Cancer Moonshot event. Prime Minister Modi pledged that India will contribute 40 million vaccine doses for the Indo-Pacific countries.
रेडियोथेरेपी ट्रीटमेंट और कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग में भी भारत सहयोग देगा। मुझे खुशी है कि इंडो पैसिफिक देशों के लिए गावी और क्वाड की पहलों के अंतर्गत भारत से 40 मिलियन वैक्सीन डोसेज का योगदान दिया जाएगा।
This is the fourth in-person Quad Leaders Summit hosted by President Biden. He hoped that the Quad will stay beyond November.